Hi everyone, my name is Mimi and I'd like to welcome you back to my channel. So if you're an old subscriber, welcome back. If you're a new subscriber, I want to encourage you before I start this video to subscribe to my channel. This channel is about luxury, but since the pandemic we've been doing other forms of unboxing. So I've diversified. I've started doing unboxings related to household goods. But we still have luxury on the cards. So if those are the kind of things that you're interested in, keep on watching. So today I'm going to be unboxing an item from Von Chef. It's actually a cast iron pot and an item from Amazon. So I'll just start off with the item from Amazon first of all. So, what have we got inside the box? Bring it out. So it's actually a mono telescope, and I'm into photography, so I actually wanted to use it to do a lot of photography work. I mean, you can use it for bird watching and for seeing things close up, which is kind of part of the aim. And yeah, let's get right into the box and see what's inside. So that's the brand. That's what you see when you open the box. So you got the monocular there. Looks like some kind of instruction, a cloth to wipe the lens, a little, I'm assuming this is to hold, to attach to the mono scope. I think this is a tripod, and I believe this is to attach the mobile phone at the back. So let's open them all up one by one. So this is a small tripod, it's very plasticky and flimsy. You screw this on the tripod like so. And then you screw this on top like that. So what I would probably do is attach my phone first, but I'm actually using my phone to film, so I can't even show you. But I will insert a picture once I've done it, either at the end of the video, probably at the end of the video. So that's basically all the attachments. So this is it, and I actually like the way it looks. It's sturdy. This is the lens, which you can open up slightly, go back, and then at the end here it has the actual lens that you look up into if you're looking this way. And I like the fact that that's attached actually. So I'm assuming this is where you focus your mono lens, just right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to insert footage of me using this at the end of the video. So I've actually tried it out, and actually the magnification is actually the same as this one. However, the idea behind this is that you attach your phone to the back with this attachment, and what happens is you can zoom in even further, because obviously once you magnify you can zoom in on your phone, it makes the magnification of it even more. So I'm looking forward to trying that out actually, to see how far I can magnify something. And as I said, I'll put the footage at the end. So I'm just going to touch on price. So it's actually £39.99. However, I got £4 off, so I paid £35.99. I think it's worth it for that. You're paying extra for the case, the these attachments, which are, I wouldn't say they're great quality. The case is it's all right for what it is. It's not good quality, and then you're paying for the attachment. So the extra really is the attachment. By itself, it would be cheaper if you're not bothered about the case and all these. I mean, I have tripods, so I'm not really bothered. Probably could have got this, you know, cheaper, maybe a better quality one, maybe not, but that's what you're paying for. You're paying for the total bundle. So is it worth £35? I don't know. I'll let you know at a later date. If you're interested in that, let me know. So the next item I bought, as you can see, it's from it's from Von Cheft, and it's actually a cast iron pot. I'm a bit annoyed that the box is busted. I'm just hoping that what's inside it is not damaged. So it's packaged properly, which is good. Let's see what we've got here. We've got the lid. And we've got the actual pot here. So, it's quite heavy. Let me bring it out. So honestly speaking, I don't think it's damaged because there's so much bubble wrap around it. So I'm just going to undo the bubble wrap quickly. Ooh, I love me the colour. Love the colour. Wow. It's exactly as I see. Oh, wow. It's lovely. Absolutely beautiful. Beautiful. So let's open the pot. So always remember when you're opening something to bring out the actual blade, because I was trying to open it without the blade. So I've just left the bubble wrap behind, so even if it wanted to be damaged, it wouldn't have, because they wrapped it so beautifully. So this is it. It's glory. It's massive. It's 6.4 litres. And when they said it was a 6.4 litres, I actually didn't believe that it was, but it is. It's absolutely beautiful. Let's see what's inside here. So, just the cleaning instructions there. How to take care of it. As you can see, it's a casserole pot. It says 6.3 ounces. They actually say 6.4 on the advert. Interesting. Need to query that. But yeah, this is what it looks like with the lid on. That's it. Absolutely beautiful. I love it. Just what I needed. Just gonna have a look at it quickly. So just so that you know, you can use it on an electric hob, gas, induction, and ceramic, and you could also put it in your oven. So that's why I bought it. So I'm going to be using it to make stews, hot pots, different things, and I love it. In fact, I'm going to go and buy some more of them. I hope they have like smaller sizes so I can have like a set. I was originally going to buy one from Argus, but the colors that I wanted, they were slightly more expensive, and they didn't have this large size. So this cost me. So the name of the item is a cast iron casserole dish, and it was $35.99. And I ordered it, I believe I ordered it on Sunday, and today is Tuesday, and I believe it took 2 days. Let me just check that. Yeah, I did. I placed the order on the 15th. That was very quick shipping. It was supposed to take 2 days, and it took, I did the order, placed the order on the 15th at 12:50 exactly, and it got delivered today, which is the 16th. So I'm super, super impressed with the delivery. So yeah, $35.99. I'm looking forward to using it. I don't know what it's going to be like. As soon as I use it, I will be giving you a review if that's what you're interested in, but I absolutely think it's worth every penny. It is a 6.4 litre and it's massive, which is exactly what I need. So I'm going to be looking on the website to see if I can get any other ones, similar in style and color. And yeah, so if you've enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, put them in the comments box below. And thank you so much for watching. And I'll put some footage of my mono scope at the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Mimi, and please support my channel by subscribing. Thank you very much, and goodbye for now.